Good evening to all Liwan community. Right now, we have the best player of the game of Team Black, Mr. Tor Citra. So, Mr. Tor, can you tell us about what did you do in the last 5 minutes of the quarter?
First of all, shoutouts kay Lord sa panalo namin. Sobrang swerte. Nakahabol lang kami. Blue team is very strong team. They're very good. So, yung ball movement din nila maganda. Naka-recover lang kami siguro nung last quarter. Medyo humigpit yung defense namin. And then, yung mga rebounds nakuha namin. Kasi first 3 quarters, hirap talaga kami din sa rebounds dahil dun sa Fahad Brothers. So, luckily for us, nakuha namin yung mga loose balls. Then, kaya kami nagkaroon ng chance para makahabol, makadikit na free throws din. Swerte kami, lalong-lalo na yung free throws ni Karang. Doon kami nakatay. Then, God's will na lang talaga yung last shot. So, maraming salamat.
Second question. So, right now, your standing is 1-2. So, your last game will be very crucial, like maybe a do or die with Team Red.
Yes.
So, what's your plan for your next game?
Plano namin lang dun sa next game namin, which is Red, Leo's team. They're very strong team. Kahit sabihin natin na sinasabi ng karamihan, wala pa silang panalo or whatever. Tingin ko kasi it takes time dun sa makapag-build ng chemistry since hindi naman tayo lahat matagal na magkakasama. May mga bagong team players pa, team members na first time lang makasali sa liga natin. But anyway, looking forward dun sa game versus the Red team. Kasi yun nga, important game siya. And game plan namin, wala, mag-enjoy lang kami. Keep the ball moving kasi yung first 2 losses namin, yun yung biniblame namin, yung hindi namin pag-rotate ng bola masyado kasi nasasayang yung mga possessions dun sa mga turnovers namin. Kapag hindi namin niro-rotate yung bola, nati-turnover lang, so nami-miss lang kami, sayang. So yun, better luck sa Team Black. Better luck next game. Again, sana mas galingan pa natin and pakondisyon. Yun lang.
Okay, so long message, last question, any message from your to Liwan community and to your family and
the fans. Last message to the fans and everyone who is member of the Liwan Community Basketball League. Shoutouts kay Commissioner, shoutouts kay Leo sa mga bumubuo ng liga natin, sa Van Jam Committee. Hopefully, mas marami pang sumaling mga ka-community natin para mas gumanda pa, mas lumago pa yung binubuo natin na community. Kaya sa tinawag na community kasi para sa atin lahat, especially dun sa mga bata. So, shoutouts, keep supporting Team Black and each and every team para sa mga susunod pa. Maraming salamat.
That's Mr. Tor Citra, the best player of the game of Team Black.
Thank you.
See you next game.
See you. Thank you.